Recently, the Go team has released the Go version 1.23, and this is a big update after a 6 month. They have changes in language, the tools, and the standard library. So let's go through it. First thing that I want to know is an iter function. So in the for range loops, we can make an iterator function such as funky. Inside is funky with boolean, and we have standard slices and maps that can work with iterators. As an example, if you want to, it says like if you want to collect the keys of a map M into a slice and then sort its values, you can simply just do this slices dot sorted maps keys M. Very easy, very simplicity is good. So, and also we have updated timer and time ticker implementations, improvements. Additionally, the next packages that I want to talk about is structs and unique. So now this package can define the marker types to modify the implementation of a struct. How about the unique package? It provides the facilities for canonicalizing comparable values. So you have defined some uniqueness and some very canonicalized values. Let's move to the tools improvements. We now have go env change it, which makes it easier to see only those settings whose effective value differs from the default ones. And this go mode tidy diff helps you without modifying the go mode and go sum files to determine the necessary changes to these files. One more thing is the go vet subcommand that was used to show the unreachable code and some issues that compiler couldn't show. Now it can report symbols that are too new to your Go version, and this is really great. What else? They are added then experimental support for OpenBSD, and under the profile guided optimization or PGO, now the build time is reduced. These are really good news and good improvements. Stay connected, stay updated to the new technologies. Thank you.